The GX-V2 Smartboard's built-in Android Whiteboard allows teachers to import cloud storage files for use in lessons. To begin, sign into the Cloud Drive app with your OneDrive or Google account on the home screen of your GX display. Next, launch the Whiteboard app. Within the Whiteboard app, tap the menu button and select Import. You can choose to import multiple file types onto the same Whiteboard screen. Select the first file type you'd like to import. Choose the location of your file, select the file, and tap OK. You can now resize the file and move it to the desired location on the screen. Repeat with any other files you'd like to add. Interact with your imported files using the pen tools. Add shapes, tables, mind maps, sticky notes, and more to engage students, activate thinking, and make connections. Importing files into the GX-V2 Smartboard's Whiteboard app allows for limitless opportunities for hands-on learning. To learn more about the features of your GX-V2 Smartboard, subscribe to our YouTube channel.